Somebody's enjoying the foot of snow. And I don't mean him. Did you find it? Did you find it? Where is it? Where'd it go? Keep digging. Come on. Keep digging. Go find it. Go find it. Well, where is it? Come on, find your ball. Come on. Sorry, buddy, I can't see it either. Oh, there it is. Look, right there. Right there. Yay. Good job. Good job, baby. Come on. Can we get a high five? All right, let's go.